Stinker Hatfield's legendary Nike Air Max 90 continues its 35th anniversary celebration with a fresh colorway rooted in its original 1990 design. The upcoming release features a mix of platinum tint, blue lightning, wolf gray, and iron gray, delivering a nostalgic yet modern feel. The color blocking echoes the silhouette's first-ever release, with dark-tone mudguards and overlays providing contrast to the vibrant blue accents found on the DPU eyelets, Air Max branding, and tongue logos. Even the cassette unit underfoot gets a pop of rich blue, staying true to the model's heritage. While this Blue Lightning edition hasn't received an official launch date from Nike.com yet, more details are expected soon. Until then, fans can preview the pair through Official Look. This drop adds another striking entry to the Air Max 90's expanding lineup, perfectly balancing retro inspiration with seasonal flair for the summer.